Hello and welcome back. It's time for Christmas. Well, we love the vibe. We love decorating the Christmas tree. We make some cookies, we wait for Santa and gifts, and we watch some Christmas movies. But are you wondering what are some Christmas activities to do with toddlers at home? Well, here I am to help you with 3 DIY Christmas craft activities. I am a big fan of keeping things simple, and these paper Christmas trees are fun and easy to make for kids and adults. Let's have a look at the first activity. And the supplies are green paper, star cutouts, straw, scissor, glue stick and a hole puncher. Try to have a single hole puncher, that'll be great. Take an A4 sheet and draw a Christmas tree on it. Now cut out the tree and let's move forward. Take the tree cutout and start folding it from one end to the other. Once you have folded all the folds, take a hole puncher and punch a hole in middle, punching through all the folds, just like you can see in the video. Now take a straw and push it through the hole. The straw might resist a little, but we can do it. Slowly and carefully stretch the paper along the straw. Then take a yellow star and glue it on top of the tree. If you want, you can decorate the tree with glitter or pom-poms or sequins. We love the festive season and we love all the fun crafting that comes along. I'm sure this is going to be fun. The next activity is Christmas tree lacing activity. We had a cardboard at home and we used it. You need to take a yarn. It can be green or white. You can tape it at the beginning to make lacing easy. You need scissors and some colored pens. Now take a cardboard and use a pen or scissor to poke holes along the outline to make a tree. After that, take a colored pen and number these holes. You can write numbers or alphabets for kids to identify. Now take a yarn and ask kids to start lacing. While Muskan knows number counting, I wanted her to go backward counting. So while children develop their fine motor skills through this lacing activity, they can also reinforce some math and language concepts. Kids can decorate the tree with beads or glitter. We also put a star on the top. The third Christmas tree is also made with paper and you need to follow simple steps. The supplies that you need here are green A4 sheet, scissor and glue stick. Let's have a look at the activity now. Take an A4 sheet, fold the paper to create a square, cut the extra bit and get going. Fold the square piece of paper like shown and start cutting it. You need to start from the open side and go towards the folded edge. Leave some space at the folded edge. It's okay if the strips are not equal. Now fold the paper, add glue on the tips of the strips or in the middle like shown, and start folding the strips. Look at this amazing tree. Take a sheet of paper and stick this tree on top. You can use whichever side you like. Take a piece of brown paper and make a tree trunk. Just like the previous trees, you can decorate this one too, with stars, glitters, or any decorative items. I hope you liked these easy DIY Christmas trees. Do share it with your dear ones and let's make Christmas fun. Also, subscribe for weekly updates. Thank you.